So you know, some day I watch some Kung Fu Panda. You see the prey, you see Father Paul, you see the prey, you see the prey, you see the people, the prey. Some day I watch some Kung Fu Panda, you know. So me and this girl text me. The girl text me and say, yo, what's good, everything. I say, yeah man, I'm good to go for golf. But they are still enjoy Kung Fu Panda because, you know, so Panda the G, you see it. New episode for Amazon Prime, you see it. Big up yourself, Amazon Prime. And then this girl, Odyssey, so me ask her, so what you doing? Chilling with my boyfriend. Chilling with her boyfriend. This is the freaking face that I made literally in the glass. I was like, what the what? Better stop text her. Mama, you just break my mood. If you come tell me that. I did not ask you that. Don't come tell me say I chill with the boyfriend. I'm busy boy boyfriend. I never ask about that. Next what you do? You could just chilling. I never had the part boyfriend. Never ask about that. All that alone man. Girls, this one and nigga ask me what you doing. Don't think say I do with nothing with no boyfriend, nothing, brother. But the nigga be clueless.